Well, the love of this trade, either you have it in your blood or you don't. I could have sold this company a long time ago and been retired. I don't do this job for the money. This is who I am. CED stands for Consulting, Engineering, and Development. Being able to work with people, consulting, being able to help them develop their product down the line, engineering, and development is the actual machining.
We specialize in medical. We will do commercial. We are large into aerospace and defense work.
5-axis multi-machining, complex machining, aluminum steels, stainless steels. We can run from 5-piece prototypes to 10,000-piece runs.
I love the challenge of taking that raw piece of material and making a finished product. These parts are in airplanes, in mammography equipment, and I have a lot of pride in the fact that what we do does make a difference in the world.
Most of us have been working together as a family for a long time, and we've seen the company grow from a small shop into a more corporate enterprise, and we've all done it together as a team.
If you keep running old equipment, you know, where is the growth going to come? It's new equipment to make sure we have the latest state-of-the-art technology going on the floor, but you have to be on top of your game in order to be competitive, and that's where we excel.
The calls, the questions, we stay on top of our programs, we know where we stand at all times, and we communicate with our customers.
And giving them quality, on-time delivery, and good pricing.
We don't just make parts here. We make a commitment to our customer. We make relationships.
It's what we built this company on.